Settings and customization. Many of the customization options in school EdTech are accessible from the Settings section. The Settings section can be found by selecting the main menu, Settings. You will now see all of the settings menus, with School Info as the first menu. In this video, we will focus on just 3 of the settings menus: School Info, Grades, and Customize. The rest of the settings are addressed in other sections. For example, email templates are saved email layouts that you can save and reuse for emailing, and are explained in the email section. Student fields and staff fields is where you add custom fields to your CRM, and is explained in the CRM section. Class fields are custom fields that you can add to classes to track student performance, and are explained in the class fields section. User groups is where you can create user roles and control access to the system, and is explained in the user groups and permissions section. The years, semesters, and tracks are explained in the years, semesters, and tracks section. Subjects is where you manage your class names, and is explained in the class scheduling section. Trackers is where you manage the tracker kinds that you can add to classes for behavior assessment, and are explained in the class grades section. Transcripts are the transcripts templates, which are saved layouts that you can use when generating transcripts, and is explained in the transcripts section. The School Info section is where you can enter your school's name, address, phone number, logo, and avatar. The logo and avatar will be displayed in the profile menu. In the grades settings, you will find the default late value. The default late grade is the grade value of a late towards attendance when no other value is set on a class. A class can have a unique late grade, and if entered in the class's settings, it will override this value. For more information on the late grade, see the appropriate help tutorial in the class grade section. The rest of the options on this page are related to transcripts or report cards. You can hide classes that are below a certain grade from showing on the transcripts. The class subject name is what appears throughout the system, and the transcript name is usually a more official name that you may want to print on transcripts. You can generate transcripts with the subject name as the name of the class, or with the transcript name as the name of the class. Both the transcript name and subject name are located in each class's settings page. The Show Grade Change will display an up or down arrow next to the class grade on the transcript to indicate if the final grade changed due to the point deduction system. For more information on the point deduction system, see the appropriate help tutorial in the class grade section. The Grade Letters to Numbers section is where you can indicate the letter equivalent of the numerical grade. In this case, a grade of 97 and above will be an A+, and an F will be any value between 0 and 60. The Customize Settings page contains a few sections. The first section is School Options. The current year tells the system which academic year is the current year, and needs to be updated every year. The ability to update this field allows you to treat a new academic year as the current year, even before it starts. This will then allow you to see the new year's students as if they are currently enrolled, even before the start of the year. You will more likely understand this feature better once you use it after the end of your first academic year. The attendance percentage field is related to the Honor Roll Report. For more information on the Honor Roll Report, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Reports section. The default class length is in minutes, and is used when a class does not have a different value for the class length. For more information on the class length, see the appropriate help tutorial in the class scheduling section. The next section is the CRM field options. This is where you can add or modify phone number and email types. These are the labels that display when adding a phone number or email in the student or staff CRM. Here you can also add or modify event types. The email settings section is where you enter your email server details. You need these settings in order to be able to send emails from the system, and also for the Forgot Password feature on the sign-in page to work. These settings are provided by your website or email hosting service Please contact them for more information. The meal options are explained in the meal report section. For more information on meals, see the appropriate help tutorial in the report section.